Oh, hello guys, we're gonna do a $5 ASMR. Okay, come on, this is me. Okay, this is well, first let me just put my nails done. This is my nails. I made it actually, so we're gonna do the ASMR. Sorry if I can't even post on YouTube or TikTok. If you know Joanna Benado on TikTok, then you're lucky because that's actually me. If you don't believe me, see my face over here when I smile. Look at the Joanna Benado like the child who is like me. Look at me. I'm actually that little girl. And by the way, thank you for so much for the Joanna Pinado on TikTok for 500 plus likes. Thank you so much. Yay. Even though it's just 500, I'm still so grateful for my likes on YouTube. Thank you, y'all. And thank you for... And you know Jaren Spinado, like I got so many views when I just viewed it. Then, thank you for the for your support, all the view subscribers there who knows Margarita Pinado. Thank you. Thank you so much on my new post like on like the like the no OC that I made. Thank you for 2,184 views. And sorry y'all because I need to change this because this phone over here, you see that? I'm using my grandma's phone. So I'm gonna just explain my backstory. Well, when I was a baby, why? Oh. When I was a baby, I was barely left by my mom on my grandma's house. So my grandma took care of me because my mom has work on Manila. I actually live in Philippines. And now I'm here in Samar, Catbalogan City. Catbalogan City, Purok size Didi. If you want, I know those Americans. I know those. Pasensya na ka mo kung matagal na naka-English ako. Kaya nahahadlok ako. Bakit yung nagnanood dito na Amerikano? Hindi makaintindi ng Tagalog. Kaya sagad na ni. Ito naman nails ko. Oh. Ito na natin. Oh. Oh no! Ay, isa na. Oh my god, oh my god, is that you? Oh my god, you're so good! That from cuteness from your face. Look at that! I want to try! You're so cute! Oh my god! You're so cute! Look at the face! Look at the face! I really love your face. Oh my god! What's that on your head? It's a koto! Just joking, by the way. Okay, look at it. Let's just okay, $5. Okay, give it change. Thank you very much. Okay, I'm doing here. Let's just cut your hair like on here. Hey, look at that hair. Look at that hair of yours. I really love it. Okay. Oh my god, you look like it. That's so spicy. Let's use some spice. Pulbo. Oh shit! It's okay. I was so disappointed when I saw it. This is pizza. Those on this is actually what the I use this actually. I look so. Look at you! I love it! Wait, let's just put some out. Let's just put some alcohol, okay? And then guys, kita kutumbad. Kutumbad! Okay, so nang maninyo. Let me just fix you. Okay, that's done. Leave it. The ASMR bit. That is stupid. Give me. Let me just move. Building blocks. What the fuck? I can. Tuk 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 tuk. Oh shit, Andy. It's actually, I don't know, it's 50 bucks. Put the pillow up. The pillow. The pillow. Okay, done. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.